Cheer up, become happier. She cheered up after talking to her friend. Come across as appear or seem. He come across as shy. Come down, feel sad or depressed. She came down after hearing the news. Come over, to visit. Reena came over for dinner the other night. Come to, regain consciousness or perspective. She fainted, but she came to after a few minutes. Cool down, calm down, or reduce intensity. After running, you should walk for few minutes to cool down. Cry out. Express emotions loudly. She cried out in pain. Cry for. Show sorrow for something. He cried for help. Cry over. Feel sadness about something. Don't cry over that mistake. Feel down. Feel sad or depressed. I feel down today. Feel for. Sympathize with someone. I feel for you during this tough time. Feel like. Desire or want something. I feel like eating pizza. Feel up to. Have the energy or desire to do something. I don't feel up to going out. Get across. Communicate effectively. The teacher used pictures to get the concept across to the students. Get ahead of. Be more successful or advanced than others. He is ahead of everyone in the race. Get down. Make someone feel sad or discouraged. The news got me down. Get over. Overcome an emotional setback. The child was upset about the lost toy, but she will get over it soon. Give in. Yield or surrender emotionally. She gave in after a long argument. Give up. Stop crying or emotionally withdraw. Don't give up on your dreams. Get to. Affect emotionally. Her comment got to me. Get under someone's skin. Irritate or annoy someone deeply. He really gets under my skin. Give way. Yield emotionally or physically. He gave way to his emotions. Go off. Become angry or explode emotionally. She went off because someone broke her favorite mug. Get through. Successfully endured something difficult. We will get through this together. Go on. Continue emotionally or persist. Go on and finish your story. Let down. Disappoint someone emotionally. He let me down. Let in. Allow someone emotionally close. She won't let anyone in easily. Let off. Release emotional tension or frustration. He let off steam by yelling into a pillow. Let on. Reveal or disclose emotions or secret. She let on she was fine. Let out. Express or release emotions. He let out a laugh. Look after. Care for someone's emotional needs. I will look after you. Look forward to. Anticipate something with excitement or happiness. I am looking forward to the trip. Look up to. Admire or respect someone emotionally. I have always looked up to her. Look down on. Disrespect or feel superior to someone. Don't look down on others. Melt down. Lose emotional control or breakdown. He had a meltdown after the breakup. Open up. Share personal feelings or thoughts. She opened up about her struggles. Open out. Express emotions more freely. He is starting to open out more. Pick up. Improve emotionally or in mood. She is picking up after the illness. Pick on. Bully or emotionally harass someone. He is always picking on his sister. Pick up on. Notice or sense emotional cues. I picked up on her sadness. Pull through. Overcome emotional difficulties or challenges. He pulled through after the surgery. Run down. Feel exhausted or worn out emotionally. I felt run down after the trip. Run into. Encounter unexpectedly, especially emotionally. I ran into him at the store. Run out of. Lose all of something emotionally or physically. I ran out of patience. Settle down. Become calm, emotionally stable. It's time to settle down. Take in, absorb, or understand emotions. I need time to take it all in. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.